what they are.
No, they're birds.
Everybody's just holding.
Hey, let me get a Cheeto. Throw me that Cheeto right there.
Holy shit, no.
Wait, what the fuck is Cheetos? If my finger gets bit off, I'm gonna get pissed.
I'm not calling your mom to tell her your finger got bit by it.
Oh!
Did one grab mine?
It took your Cheetos! Look at it!
Oh!
Yeah.
And I didn't even record it.
I don't...
Dude, stop.
Did you get it? Did you get it?
Cheeto snatchers!
Get the fuck...
All right, get away, birds now. Get away, bird. Feed them beers. Feed them beers. Let's get the birds drunk.
Bear.
Come here, little birdie.
No more Cheetos.
I wasn't looking and I just felt the Cheeto disappear from my hand and I was like, what?
I had this recording like to the side, and the bird came like this and took it out of my hand, and I was like,
Don't hold your hand like a bird will snatch your finger.
oh.
Watch one grab the flip just off into
If the bird grabbed the flip, I would.
Huh?
Did you get it?
I think so. If I didn't, then we'll do it again. Hey, give Rob one more. We gotta get.
Making it an official...
We gotta make it an official.
Hey, who's got the Cheetos?
Hey, where are the Cheetos?
I'm done with this.
No, let me get one Cheeto.
No, Rob needs one more. We gotta record it. I didn't record it.
Yeah, let's record it.
Give me a Cheeto. Fuck.
I don't have one.
Give me a barbecue chip.
Yeah, do a chip.
Here. Right here, Rob. Right here's one.
Hey. Let's watch the chip.
Damn, jeez.
Nobody's gonna get balls in the fridge.
That guy's saying who wants to go. God, I gotta pee again.
Into the water.
Miles to go in?
Yeah, right here.
Come here, birdies.
Well, yeah, throw one and then...
All right, now hold the other one up.
Alright, I'll hold it up.
Hey.
Flip. Hey!
Everybody.
You have to hold it up. You have to hold it straight up. Wave it around. Wave it around, Rob. You gotta move your whole arm around. Okay, they all seen it. These seen it.
Yo, look how skinny he is.
Uh-oh.
Throw him another and then do it again. All right, now you got all their attention.
Now you got all of their attentions.
Oh.
Uh-oh, here comes a giant one or something.
Wait, what?
They all left.
Fuck me.
Oh, that's the one.
Oh my god!
They want it.
Here it comes!
Oh, he almost got it.
I had no idea.
We gotta get this.
And Cheetos are better.
The Cheetos, yeah, they like the Cheetos.
Give me a long.
They're not
ass
fans of
Cheeto.
barbecue. They're not fans of barbecue. They like cheese. He's pissed. The fat one's all mad.
Alright.
Hey, ready to watch them flock? Ready? Ready for this? Hey.
Hey, get out of here, bird.
I already did.
Don't come near me. All right, hold on. Here, this is it. This is the last one, the last chip. We gotta get it on the flip, dude. One's gotta get ballsy. Talk to him, Rob.
They're not gonna do it just for good.
No, they will do it. Watch.
That one looks cool.
Look, here comes that one that's coming. That one right there. I feel like that's. Oh.
That would have been a snag, dude.
That's what I feel like it happened to mine.
Throw sand at him.
Oh yeah. Look at their little legs.
So cool.
All these fucking birds. That's the mom bird right there.
Oh, he's like, I'm about to.
He's like, that's my fucking chip. That's my fucking chip. Get away from my chip. Get away from my chip.
It looks big.
See, he's chasing them off. Get away from my chip.
No, I think they're different kinds.
Come here, buddy.
There's different kinds of seagulls.
He wants that one. That one, dude. That one wants it. That's the big master right there. That's.
No, I want it to come up to my hand.
This is the long. If I would have got the one when it got out of my hand. Oh.
No, this is just on.
Get it, little birdie. Don't be scared of the big ugly one. Don't be intimidated. Stand up for yourself. Stand up for yourself.
So you're my daughter?
Oh wait.
Don't be intimidated, little birdies.
So you're his daughter?
Hold it up now, Rob. Hold it up a little bit. Hold it up now. They're starting to fly a little bit. Now, right there.
The battery, once the battery goes low enough or something.
Dude, my arm's getting so tired, bro.
This is about his daughter.
Look at that
Yeah,
fucker.
just listen to the whole song.
Oh, that one looks mean too, right over there.
It's about a homeless guy and his daughter.
Pretend to throw it, Rob.
In that alleyway.
It's like psyching out a fucking idiot. Hey, watch it.
Look at-
Hey,
look at him,
watch,
look at
hey,
him.
watch this when I fake throw. Open your wings. Hey, ready? Hey, bird, open your wings. Open your wings.
Hold it up now. See, they're starting to fly. There he comes. Rob,
Fucking birds.
yeah, dude, stop.
You wanna see him fight?
No.
But you know this is
That big one's still mad. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Doing all right.